Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use picture-in-picture mode in Messenger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up our settings on our iPhone or mobile phone so that we can turn this on. On your Android phone, it's automatically going to be enabled, so you'll be able to use your bubble heads, but if you're on iPhone, you're going to go ahead and open up your settings to get started. So here we are in our settings menu of our iPhone, and this is how it's going to look like. So from here we can find all the settings that we can access, and what we are looking for is picture-in-picture mode. So to be able to find our settings for picture-in-picture mode, this is what we want to do. First we want to go ahead and scroll down to the general settings. By clicking general settings, this is going to enable you to find a look at all your general settings that you can access and manage, and here we have picture-in-picture mode. So you're going to open it up, and from here you want to make sure that picture-in-picture is automatically enabled. So if it's not already green, meaning it's turned on, you want to go ahead and turn it on. Once you have turned it on, now we can get started going back to the Messenger application. So what you want to do is open up your Messenger application on your mobile phone, and once you've done that, you want to open up your settings in your application. So go ahead and click on your settings. From here you can get started with accessing all the settings, and from here you can get started with activating your bubble heads and your chat options so that your picture-in-picture mode for Messenger is turned on, and once you turn those two on, you can then use it normally. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.